Tripura Employees Federation TEF bini annual conference ngai Kumulungni Noai Auditorium holo aro sini bubogra sini party ni founder bubogra Pradut Bikram Kishore Maniko Deborma bo inaugurator tai si geis ngai bini bisingti chati masangma bisingti a program a conference changjang abo 2 days ni bagi on 14 and 15 of this month February. Okay, aro kaisa full fledged kaisa committee bo aro reform nai the committee full fledged committee samjak nai abun bagai sini Tripura Employee Federation haina hai full fledged committee mone pore buni সংগঠন te strengthen khainai boni employee ni interest o borok aro resolution nanai memorandum rok agami dinor nani bong demand rok aro chockout nai gaun bagai sini jehetu employee organization ba जों press media ni bisingti motini saklai ruje on 14 and 15 February Kumulung Noai Auditorium boni annual conference ngai aro joto employee community ro aro 5 participate khanan bagi जों kobo